Goannas are a common sight in Australia and are found throughout most of the country and manage to thrive in a variety of environments. Goannas vary in size, ranging from over 2 meters long to just 20 centimeters depending on the species. All species will feed on the carcasses of dead animals. The smell of rotting meat will attract these lizards. As you can see, this goanna is in search for a rotting carcass. He can smell the carcass from long distance away. By flicking his tongue, he'll pick up the scent. He has discovered this rotting body of a bird. It will take him about 2 hours to consume it, and afterwards there'll only be a few bones left. All goannas are dark in color, and most of them show a pattern of lighter color in spots, rings, blotches, or stripes. Those patterns vary between species, but also between younger monitors and adult lizards. Another common characteristic is the loose skin on the goanna's neck. It makes the neck look bigger than the head. If a monitor lizard feels threatened, they can puff up those flaps so they look more dangerous. As you can see, these animals are very well adapted. They know how to remove the flesh of the dead carcass. They put one foot on it and push the other way. It is very lucky that we were able to catch this truly amazing footage of the goanna eating. This goanna is very lucky to have this carcass all for himself and doesn't have to compete with any other goannas.